first by doing the shading, and now by doing this color. Okay, fine. So make it first. The step one of this orange. How to make the step orange? First circle. Okay. Step one circle. Step two, make circle and add over here. The step two. Okay. Step two. Okay. Step three. Just make it the shade, the color. Start the color. The leaves and here the shading. Okay. So make like this step by steps. Okay. Here color also. So now you can use a finger. Done with it? Yeah. See, I just use a finger and mix the color like this. See. See. Better you see. Full, make the full layer. Okay. Not make the full layer. Okay. Just make this half layer. One side. Okay. Okay. So first, this orange. Very good. Half, half of this. That must be the color. Very good. And now to mix the color. And then what green color too. Okay, so here I can see after that you are making this deep color Prussian blue. Okay, make the Prussian blue color the deep color for the green of this for the leaves. Okay, for the leaves you make the green color like this. Okay, mix with the finger. Okay, nice mixing the color. Nicely mix the color. Okay, आराम से. Wow, very good. Mix the color, okay, beta? Like this. There is the green color. Make it green, okay? Very good color. It's a green. Okay, so I just see here the shadow, okay? Put the shadow. Put the shadow is a black color, but first, very good. Okay, make a shadow over here. See, this side, and this side. Okay, make the shadow over here. Gray color. Take the gray color. Okay, the shadow color is here. So I just shadow also two type of shadow. One is a made the shadow with a gray. It's called the object shadow. Okay, and make it the occultation shadow or cast shadow. You can put like this. Okay, this two shadow. One the dark shadow, one the light shadow. Then it looks more nice. Okay, see better. Very good. Make shadow. Go and make shadow here. Put the gray color. Okay, gray color. Done beta. Okay. Nalini. आराम से. Very good. Green color. Leaves one. Green. Okay, beta. Niranjan understood better, Niranjan?
Yes, sir.
Very good. We can make it little black. The shadow, little black also can use.
So can we start with the next drawing?
Yes. Make this
Okay,
next.
sir.
Make this little bit of orange, the dark. Okay, here. Very good. Here making this little dark, little black color. Oh, see here, little black color.